Alright, can you tell Daddy what it is? What is it? What have you made there, Liam? Liam? What did you make there with the drill and the toothbrush?
I made a electric toothbrush. It spins around in the circle like this.
Uh-huh.
And there was a thumb in it, and the king was the sharpener.
A sharpener. Oh my goodness. That looks safe.
And it also was
You're one nutty kid, Liam. Yep.